Hello everyone, this is Al coming to you once again for Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. I'd like to thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Please drop me a line. And folks, today I'm going to show you how an authentic Brooklyn pizza is made. I am here at one of the best pizzerias in all of Brooklyn. It's Pizza di Amore. Now this pizza's been around here longer than I've been a child. When I used to be very little, I used to come to the arcade here, to the Baskin Robbins. This used to be the Corvette shopping center. So let me swing this around for you, you'll see. Here we are, we're at Pizza di Amore. And this is a magnificent pizzeria. It gets an A rating, as you're gonna see. Beautiful pizzeria. It's very quiet right now, that's why I'm doing the video. I didn't want to bother them when they were busy. But the whole idea of the video is, especially folks who live in other parts of the world, because everybody hears how great the Brooklyn pizza is, and it is absolutely the best in the absolute world. But I wanted to show how a real Brooklyn pizza pie is made and what they do and how they formulate the dough and how they make it in the pizzeria. It's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop me a line, make a comment. Talk to you real soon. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. So right now I'm going to go inside. I'm going to show you a little bit of the pizzeria, and then we're going to watch and see how a real authentic pizza is made. Pizza di Amore. Come on out, Bay Parkway. You'll really enjoy it. Stand by. So here we are going in. As you see, it gets an A rating. And we're going to come into the pizzeria right here and see it's a beautiful pizzeria. We're going to get an idea of what they have to sell. Let me show you some of the stuff in the front. Mozzarella sticks, fried raviolis, oh my gosh, pinwheels, sausage pinwheels, spinach pinwheels. Looks like a spinach pizza. You got a veggie pizza right here, and you have your artichoke pizza right there. Got some square slices. I have an interesting patron right over there. Here's an idea of the menu. Everything on the menu here. This is a very busy pizzeria. Typically, they do a lot of takeout. They do a lot of in-house. You can see how large it is. This is a very busy shopping complex too. So come on down, enjoy some pizza. And now we're going to come over and show you how an authentic Brooklyn pizza is made. All right, so we're here with Jose, and he's going to show us how to make the best pizza in Brooklyn. You have your fresh dough right over here. So what do you think it is, Jose? I mean, they say Brooklyn has the best pizza in the world, and I agree with them.
Of course.
Absolutely.
Yes.
They say it's the dough and the water, and I think I agree. How many pizzas are you going to make today? In one day, how many do you think you make? A few hundred? Oh my God. So what are you making now? You're making a regular pie, or you're going to make a...
So I'm making a little rolls, chicken rolls.
Oh, chicken rolls, okay. See, that's the trick, is how you formulate it like that. I mean, that's what most people wouldn't be able to do. And do that without ripping it. How much practice did that take you to learn all that?
It's like, I have 5 years.
5 years, I believe
now.
it. Right?
Yes. I'm trying to practice now. Every day.
I know if I did that the first time, there'd be like 10 of them on the floor. Oh, and those are the fixings going inside. It's all chicken.
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing. See, nice healthy portions here at Pizza di Amore. This is the place to come if you go off your diet for one day. This is where you want to come, right?
Yes.
So you're getting chicken in there and sauce. Nice. I think I can imagine what's going to be next, but we're going to see. Ah, there it is, my favorite. Cheese, mozzarella cheese.
A lot.
Lots of mozzarella cheese. Wow. Those look amazing. Then, of course, they're going to put them in the oven. How long do they take to cook, Jose?
10 to 15 minutes.
Oh, that's nice. So you can actually order that fresh and just wait for it, hang out.
All the time. All the time. Whatever you like, I make it right for you.
Nice. So you see, folks, if you come down, anything you want a special order, they're happy to do it for you. And nothing but the best ingredients. Excellent. Thank you so much, Jose. I really appreciate you taking your time out to show us.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. So there you have it, folks. How to make an authentic Brooklyn, New York pizza and chicken rolls. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, like I said. I'd like to thank everybody here at Pizza di Amore for being so welcoming to me and my channel, for welcoming us in. Do yourself a favor, come on down. You'd really love it. And this is Al signing off from Pizza di Amore in Bay Parkway in Brooklyn in the Caesars Bay Flea Market. Have a great day, folks. See you real soon.